Welcome to Celebration and Honor channel. This channel is dedicated to celebrating global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, and honoring the unsung heroes, professional bodies, and organizations whose invaluable contributions often go unrecognized. Now today, celebration. International Day of Living Together in Peace theme. The importance of living together in peace. Have you ever imagined a world where everyone helps each other, no matter their background, religion, or language? A world where we live together, not just side by side, but heart to heart? Today, let us take a moment to believe in that world. Because peace doesn't begin in parliaments or palaces. It begins with me and you, with us. Stay tuned till the end. You'll hear powerful stories that show how peace changes lives, and maybe it will inspire you to be part of that change too. On this International Day of Living Together in Peace, we celebrate the profound significance of peace in fostering unity, understanding, and progress within our societies. Peace is not just the absence of conflict, it is the foundation upon which prosperous, resilient communities are built. When we choose peace, we choose empathy, cooperation, and the shared vision of a harmonious future where everyone, regardless of their background, can thrive. In societies marked by peace, individuals are empowered to pursue their dreams, build relationships, and contribute meaningfully to nation building. Through dialogue, mutual respect, and collaboration, we unlock the potential for growth, inclusivity, and sustainable development. As individuals, peace brings calm to our minds and love to our hearts. As a society, peace allows us to grow together, respecting each other's differences. And for our nation, peace builds unity, strength, and hope for future generations. Just a quick break. Please, if you are learning something, consider subscribing to our channel and turn on notification bell to get updates on upcoming events. Subscription is free. Welcome back. Testimony 1. Fatima, a young woman from a once divided community, shared, "I used to be afraid of people from different backgrounds, but after joining a peace education group, I met new friends from all walks of life. We shared our stories, our dreams. I realized we are more alike than different. That changed my life forever." Testimony 2. James, a former gang member, said, "I was angry, lost, and always fighting. One day, a peace volunteer talked to me, not with judgment, but with care. They helped me find a new path. Now, I speak to youth in my area, showing them that peace is not weakness, peace is power." Thanking the unsung heroes. To the peacekeepers, social workers, teachers, neighbors, and volunteers who quietly help others every day. Thank you. Your actions may go unnoticed, but they touch lives more than you know. You are the builders of peace, one small act at a time. A call to action. If you have not yet taken part in the work of peace, this is your chance. You don't need to be famous. You don't need to be rich. Just start with a smile, a helping hand, or a kind word. The world needs your light. Together, we can make peace real for everyone. Happy International Day of Living Together in Peace. Let's not just celebrate peace, let's live it every day, with everyone, everywhere. Let's raise our glasses to honor the unsung who choose to live together in peace with others. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours. Love and blessings, Titus Ogbetera. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next. 17th of May, World Telecommunications and Information Society Day. 19th May, Global Road Safety Week, Day 1. 19th May, World Fair Play Day. 20th of May, World Bee Day. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.